Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. If you know you are a forex trader and you are looking for capital to start trading, you're looking for capital to get started with trading, this video is for you. All you have to do is just follow me to the end of this video so you don't miss out on how you can get this particular bonus. As in this video, I'll be showing you how you can get a $30 no deposit bonus account that you can use to start trading with. All you have to do is just follow me to the end. You don't have to make any deposit. You don't have to make any payment. All you need is just a step-by-step guide on how you can claim this particular bonus and get started with it. So, and in this video, I'll be telling you the terms and conditions that you need to know concerning this particular account. Showing on the screen, as you can see, this bonus will be available for the year 2026. It is made for this year, and you'll be getting a $30 live account. No deposit required. All you have to do is just open a verified XM account, and all profit can be withdrawn that you make on this account. All profit can be withdrawn. So I'm just going to be showing you how you can get this particular account. This particular account, I have already claimed it, and it's only for new clients. Only new clients can claim this particular account. I've gotten mine, so I'm just going to show you the steps on how you can get yours as well. So before I continue, if you know this is your first time of you coming across this channel, or you're already watching video from this channel but you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe to this channel. It is very important to subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on information, details, updates on how you can make money online in this year 2026. So now let's move on to how we can get this particular account. So now the next step you want to take in how you can get this particular account is for you to check the description of this video. You meet a link there. All you have to do is just click on the link that is in the description of that video. Once you get there, you can also check the comment section. The link will be pinned there. Click on the link, then it will take you directly to my Telegram channel. Once you get to my Telegram channel, the first thing you need to do is to click on join. You have to join the Telegram channel because there I drop updates, I drop information even before bringing them on YouTube, and there are some details and updates information that I'll get later on after releasing the video, after dropping the video, and I will need to pass on to you guys. So you have to join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out on the details and information I will give you concerning this particular account. And you can as well go through the channel. Check everything. You can check what I've been dropping and how legit, how often, how informations that I've been dropping on that channel. You can go through it and check things on that channel. So after joining the Telegram channel, all you have to do is just click on the link that will take you directly to the interface. That's to the website where you'll be getting the account, the $30 account. Once you get there, you can click on the pinned post. I pin every post, every account that you need to get. So you can just go ahead and click on the pinned post on the Telegram channel. Then you go ahead and click on the link that will give you access to the account. So once you click on it, it will bring you right to this interface here. Let it load. It will bring you right to this interface where you have to open an account with them. So this interface shown on the screen is where you have to register an account with them, as you can see. So the first thing you need to do is just put in your country of residence, your email, your password. You accept their terms and conditions right there. You click on that small box. Then after that, you click on register. Then after clicking on register, you have to go to the next step. You know, I told you earlier that I've already claimed this particular account. So I'm just going to show you the step by step. I'm just going to tell you how you can go ahead and get this account, because it's only one person. It's only once you can get this particular account. You can't claim it twice. So now you need to go through 4 steps on how you can claim this particular $30 bonus. So the first thing you need to do is register, as I've explained earlier. You register an account with XM. And after that, you have to verify your KYC. You go in with your ID and your proof of residence. You put in your verification. Then after doing your KYC, the next thing you want to do is to log into your client area, your member area. That's the dashboard. So once you get to the dashboard, you go ahead and click on more. After clicking on more, you go to reward. Then under reward, you go to bonuses. You see it there. Then after that, you can now go ahead and click to claim the $30 bonus account. And immediately after claiming it, you'll be getting your account live already. So for you to get in your full details, your login details on how you can trade on your MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5, all you have to do is just go to your email. They'll be sending you an email to your address. You go there, click on the message, then you'll be seeing your login details that you'll be using to trade. Check the server, you can check everything. Then you go ahead and put in your login details in either your MetaTrader 4 or your MetaTrader 5. And after that, you can go ahead and start trading immediately. And the conditions you need to know for this particular account is, as I've said earlier, only new clients can get this particular account, 1 bonus per person. Then 30 bonus amount is non-withdrawable. You cannot get the bonus, but the profit you earn from trading with, after getting the withdrawable, after meeting the basic trading conditions, then you can withdraw your profits. Then the bonus is only available within 30 days of opening your account. After 30 days, your account will no longer be available for you. I'll be dropping the rest of the terms and conditions in my Telegram channel, so please do well to join the Telegram channel so you don't miss out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, you comment, and you subscribe. Make sure you share this video to your friends, be of benefit to them. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and also turn on your notification button so you don't miss out. See you in my next video. Bye.